Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So it's cloudy. Yay, maybe it's going to rain today. We'll keep our fingers crossed. That would be awesome. It's about noon and I have been out here. I harvested, I made all the little bouquets for the coffee shop. I ran to the florist and took them their bucket of blooms. And then I decided I was going to go ahead and clean some of the stuff off the fence so that my electric fence works properly. It's going to be a beautiful day. The rain might stop me, but I'll be outside all day if it's not raining, and I'm just going to clean up this fence. I'm going to harvest things that I think I should harvest, and then like celosia and zinnias, if I don't have bouquets to make, I'm not going to harvest those today because I do have my subscriptions this week, and I have another order for a florist this week. So getting some stuff done. It's a better day. It was nice to have a day off, just relax and kind of do nothing but eat and watch TV, which is not normal for me in the summertime, but I guess I needed it because I'm full of energy today. I'm loving my flowers again, and now I'm looking at all the weeds thinking, oh, it's so nice out. It's not even going to get above 77. Unless it rains, I mean, I can get weeding and a bunch of stuff done that I've been wanting to get done. So that's awesome. And I could take buckets of blooms around, but I think I'm just not. Like, I'm doing well this year. I would like to get like 1 or 2 more florists. That's probably where I'd have to start hiring help, or hire help so that I can go out and find those florists. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what I'm up to today on the flower farm, and I'll just give you updates as I can. All the Gomphrena off my fence. And piles of Gomphrena I need to pick up. But it's not on my fence anymore. So I cleaned up a lot of the Gomphrena, stuck it in the cooler. I might dry it later or use it a little bit of it. Some of it might be too far gone to use, but it's really pretty. So I got about 3 buckets of Gomphrena today. Stuck in this really pretty cosmos. Well, it's been raining. This has like no water in it, but it's on the outside. It just hasn't been enough, but it is kind of getting the ground wet. And I came out and I was going to plant my lupine seeds, and now the rain picked up a little bit, so maybe I'll run back in. I don't want them all wet. The sound of rain just trickling down, making the land all wet. It's so exciting! Yay! But I got everything cleaned up inside. I cleaned up a lot of that Gomphrena and put it in buckets. If it's too far gone, I'll just hang it to dry. So I'm glad I did that, because instead of throwing it away, I saved a bunch of it. And maybe I can work with some dried flowers. I've never done that yet. But I don't think I'm going to get anything else done outside. It's coming down pretty good right now. It's not horrible, but enough that I can't like put seeds in the ground or anything. They'd all be sticking to each other. So I think I'm gonna head home and call it a day. And then tomorrow I have 2 bouquets to make, so I'll definitely show you those. And hopefully I'll get some good harvesting, weeding, and cleanup done. It's supposed to be another beautiful day. Yay! I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.